Campers Dustin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, and what I have behind me is a fresh arrival. This is a 2017 Forest River Wildwood Lodge 395 RET Park model. Check it out, guys. It's in fabulous shape. Nice large awning on it. Two exterior speakers. We do have scare lights for both doors, patio door, and a second entrance into the bedroom. Come on, guys, let's check her out. All right, we'll start with the main living space here. We do have solid surface countertops, nice large sink. Check out that faucet, super shiny. All kinds of space up here for maybe your food and whatnot. And then I love the skylight up above. It just brings in so much natural light. We do have surround sound audio. If you look up in the corners, we have that everywhere. Huge, huge dinette. 3 chairs, bench seat on the back there. Seat the whole family here. Over here, look at the oven. Hunormous. 4-burner stove. Solid surface countertops continued throughout. We do have residential microwave with some storage that I would need a step stool to reach. Some more storage beside that as well, guys. And then to accompany that, we have a residential fridge. Tons and tons of space in here. We'll get back into the living area. Separate living area, which is super awesome. We have a couch here, 2 chairs here, 2 chairs here, seating for the whole family, and there's a ceiling fan right up above us. Huge entertainment area, 32-inch TV there, fireplace down there, throw out some heat on those chilly nights. You want to use your stereo. Right here you have a stereo deck that will control your inside-outside speakers. And guys, just look at the storage. Tons, and I mean tons. All right, close those back up. Let's get into some more of this unit. This way. So coming up, it's very warm and inviting in here. Very nice open space. All of our unit controls are right here on the wall. We have our ceiling lights, slide out function, water pump. Beside that, we have our thermostat and our awning switch. And then below that, we have a spot for a central vac. In here into the bathroom, we do have a porcelain toilet. Tons of storage beside that for our towels and face cloths. Huge shower with tons of headroom. And then a great medicine cabinet. Great size vanity. And just below that, some more storage. Up next, we have the master bedroom. Beautiful. We put a brand new upgraded pillow top mattress in that, ready to go for you folks. Storage up overhead of the bed. We do have reading lights on either side, as well as a vent to keep you nice and cool, and a ceiling fan as well. Some storage up over the spot where you'd put your TV. Oh, a nice dresser area down below that. Window is an emergency exit. And then check out the closet. Wow. Huge closet, guys. There's your hose for your central vac. You can hang all kinds of clothes. Maybe put your shoes up top. Really, whatever you want to use it for. Folks, this is a beautiful unit. If you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.